Advanced whole house fan system can save you money, let you enjoy better health, and keep you cool for pennies an hour. Whole house fan cools and ventilate your home with fresh natural air and can save you up to 50 to 90% off your air conditioning usage. Picture your home as a giant oven, baking in the hot summer sun all day long and trapping that heat in. If your AC was on during the day, when you come home, you'll find your home heated up like a giant oven. And just like when you shut off your oven, when the sun goes down, it takes a while for that heat to go away. So what do? You flip on your AC while the AC can cool your home. What about your attic? Your attic can reach temperatures of 150 degrees or more, and your air conditioner does nothing to cool down the attic. In fact, your air conditioner is in a constant battle with your attic. Every time it cools the air in your home enough to shut off the attic, heat it right back up again, causing your air conditioner to cycle off and on. Now what about a home that has whole house fan? Picture a giant vacuum cleaner connected to all the attic vents of your home. Crack a few windows and turn on that vacuum cleaner. This process of whole house fan works just like a giant vacuum cleaner. Whole house fan will draw all the hot, stale air out of your home and attic in as little as 3 to 4 minutes while bringing in a fresh natural breeze through the home. With whole house fan,